from justtoday.com, and today I'm going to be showing you and expanding your mind on how to make these Dino Halloween Deviled Eggs. Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? First things first, let's go ahead and pick our Halloween platter. Then we're gonna build a spider in the middle of the Halloween Deviled Eggs platter because it's fun. And so we're gonna be putting 8 ounces of cream cheese in the center of the platter and forming them into 2 balls. Next, we're gonna go ahead and grab our black olives that are already pitted and cut them in half. First, go ahead and put in your eyes for the spider, then cover the rest of the cream cheese with the black olives. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab our toothpicks and have our whole black olives, and we're going to create legs for the spider. Now, I try to have the legs stand up in the platter to make it look cool, but it didn't work for me. So I just kind of laid it flat, I guess. It made it look cool in the end. Just keep watching. Kind of lay it flat like this, and it eventually works out fine. Just trust me. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and create the legs for the spider. Are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the like button and the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could get a notification whenever we upload another video. And hey, maybe hit the share button to share it out with your family and friends. Then let's go ahead and take our boiled eggs and take the center yolk into a separate bowl and put our mayonnaise and salt and pepper and 3 tablespoons of sour cream and mush it into a paste. Then go ahead and put in your food coloring of choice. Now I put in a green food coloring into the egg yolk mixture, and then I'm going to be transferring them into a piping bag. Now I put them in the piping bag so that it's beautifully presented on the Halloween platter. Now it's up to you. You could just go ahead and spoon it in, or you could do it in the piping bag just like I did, but it comes out smoother when you put it in a piping bag, and so that's what I did. If you're curious to see how we made these Dino Halloween eggs, then definitely check out the link in the description down below and or the iCard in the corner of the screen. So to top it off, we're going to go ahead and put our black olives, and with a little zest of orange, we're going to be putting carrots around the edge of the platter. Alright, my eaters, I'm hoping that this video was very helpful and informative, because I'm all about expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. And yeah. What's up? Mm-hmm. What do you think? Yeah? You like it? Awesome. Phew, that was a close one because I didn't think he was gonna like my spider or my Dino Halloween Deviled Eggs. That was nice. But anyway, this is a hashtag collaboration with other YouTube cooks, and so definitely hit that hashtag SpookyFoods for other Halloween creations. If it wasn't for GT's Barbecue and Cuisine, I would have been in the dark about this one. So hit that hashtag SpookyFoods and go over to GT's Barbecue and Cuisine and find his Spooky Foods creation and tell him and comment down below on his video and say that Just Ate sent you there.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video.
By actually putting grenadine on the edge, just like that.
Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my 8ers.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.